Hello, it's Nona Maria, just a little video to show you what I'm making today, Sunday lunch. My ricotta, homemade ricotta gnocchi with a little bolognese that I had leftovers. Tonight is gonna be my eggplant, potato, salami, prosciutto, and everything else in sauce baked. Okay, the water is already boiling. I already salted. So let me put I froze this. Oh, okay, let me put the whole thing. There we go. See, my baked for tonight, ready to be baked. Okay, let it get to boil. Okay, I put this on. They start coming up because they were frozen, but I didn't defrost it. I put it just the way they were from the bag, from the freezer to the water. Okay. Ooh, yummy. A little too much? That's okay. It's Sunday. We are allowed. Usually in Italy, this will not be the only thing. It will be whatever I'm making for tonight. Some fish, some braciole, some meat, some fish. This is Italian dinner. You call it lunch dinners. It's something that starts maybe between 3, 4 o'clock, and maybe we get up at 9 o'clock at night. Okay. And they're up. Put them like this. Even if a little water goes in there. Yummy. Okie dokie. Get this and coat it. Oh my God, this is so good. I'm salivating. My homemade gnocchi, my ragu, everything homemade. Don't buy jars. Don't do any shortcuts. Okay. Some more red pepper flake, low and spicy, and we're done. Wow, they little too much. E adesso che facciamo? Andiamo di là, ci mettiamo il formaggio parmigiano reggiano E mangiamo! Here we go. Ready to eat. I put the Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay. What am I doing? With one hand, little black pepper. And we're ready to eat. Blessed Sunday to you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Nonna Maria 1433. Buon appetito! A favorire! Alla prossima ricetta!